Here's a 73 Pontiac Firebird. We have a 482 cubic inch Pontiac engine in it. TKO 600 5-speed, 10-bolt rear end, forged line wheels, wheelwood brakes. We did a custom interior. We did full custom paint. Car is on coilovers in the front and Pro Touring spring leaf springs in the back. 3-inch custom stainless exhaust. Point harnesses in the car front and back because the client that we built it for has 2 young boys that he wants to take them with when he goes and rips around in this car and try and get them to love cars as much as he does. Got to keep the thing going. And hopefully, his plan is that someday it's their car.